In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoom meetings in Google Calendar. It's an essential skill that combines the powerful scheduling capabilities of Google Calendar with the easy-to-use video conferencing features of Zoom. Having all your meetings organized in one place helps you stay on top of your schedule without missing a beat. So, let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com, or by navigating through your Google Apps if you're already signed in. Once there, you'll see your calendar laid out, displaying any upcoming events or reminders you may have. Now, look for the Add button, typically located at the top of the screen. This button is your gateway to adding new events to your calendar, so go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a menu with various options pop up, but for today, we'll focus on creating an event. So, click on Event from the list to proceed. Next, it's time to give your meeting a proper title. Your meeting title is crucial as it helps both you and your attendees know what the meeting will focus on at a glance. Make it clear and concise. Either it's a team sync-up, a client call, or a brainstorming session. Enter the title into the designated field you see on the event page. With the title in place, let's add the Zoom meeting feature. Direct your attention to the option labeled Add Meeting, typically represented by a text button or link. Click on it, and you'll either need to choose Zoom from a list of options, or it might automatically integrate if you've set it up previously. If this is your first time, ensure that Zoom is connected to your Google Calendar. This connection is key to seamlessly scheduling your video calls right from the calendar interface. After adding the Zoom link, make sure to review the rest of the event details. Here you can adjust the date and time, add a description, or even invite guests. These additional touches ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. Lastly, once all the details are filled in to your satisfaction, the final and crucial step is to save it all. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of your screen, and click on it. This action finalizes the addition of your meeting to your Google Calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Zoom meeting through Google Calendar, effortlessly blending your scheduling and conferencing tasks into one smooth process. With this method, all your meeting details and Zoom links are perfectly organized, ensuring you and your invitees don't miss any important discussions. Keep practicing these steps, and soon it will become a seamless part of your routine. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.